So welcome back to my channel Secure 7, and here is our new machine Cybersploit 2 series 2, and here is the name of the machine and download file. Here you can easily download with this link, and description was your target is gain to root access. There is no any flag in this VM. Share root access with me to Twitter Cybersploit 1. This works better with a VirtualBox rather than VMware, and this is all the about. And here is screenshot of Cybersploit. So here is my Kali Linux machine, and I running the Cybersploit 2 on a VMware workstation. So go to the Kali Linux. So first we finding our machine IP address with using NetDiscover. Here is the scanning the network of virtual VMware workstation, finding the correct VM, opening the notepad for writing some notes. There you go. Here is our IP address of Cybersploit 2, and our Kali Linux IP address is here. And we have next step is scanning the machine network with using Rust scan. Hit enter. We using Rust scan because Rust scan is faster than Nmap for a short term. Which port is opening? Copy and paste here. 22 and 28 port is open. So we 28 port is open. So we run it the IP address on a browser and check it what is on the browser in the browser. So here is the username and passwords are there. So we check which this is different from others. So we copy it and paste here. And we first check the source page. Here is not anything, any clue are not here. Here is the ROT47 is here. Copy it and paste it here, and we find it what is ROT47. Here is the ROT is a cipher code decoder. So we paste the ROT. Here was we found this. Copy that and paste it here and decrypt. This is Shalendra. Copy it and paste it here. And next we have this. decrypt. See, is the Cybersploit one. Copy. Copy and paste it here. So our username is Selendra and password is Cybersploit. So we go to the shell. So we connect the SSH command, SSH, and we have a username is Shalendra. Copy this and paste it here with using the @ 192.168.5.141 and hit enter. Here is command yes, and password here is the Cybersploit one and hit enter. So we get the shell and we finding some class with using cat int.txt docker. His shell is docker, so there is no other flag in this file. So final flag is one is the final flag. So finding some docker. So go to the finding some so here is the searching docker exploit. Here is the docker exploit, docker binary and shell file read sudo id, and here is the docker run. We will try this. Copy and surrender shell. Here we paste this and hit enter. So unable to find the images alpha latest locally, pulling fs layer, extracting download. Okay, so we have a root. Who am I? So we have a root/root ls get flag txt. So here is the on Cybersploit 2 POC is here and counteracts. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for these amazing videos. Thank you.